Hi, I'm Ian,
I'm Will.
and we have a question for
Beaver.
And our question is, why is everyone turning towards this bell? Because
It's a church bell,
yeah, and it's
which
not,
is like religious,
Yeah.
but why would everyone be turning to it?
yeah, and it's not the hour of which it's supposed to be going off. Though, like, what's the reason of it going off when it's not the time for it to be going off? That's what I'm a little.
Well,
confused
some
about.
churches also do it by the half hour, but we're going to
Yeah.
assume that it does it by the hour because people
Yeah.
said it wasn't the hour.
Yeah, they said it wasn't. They were like, what's going on? It's not time for the church bell to go off. So I'm thinking it might have to do with, like, you know how a lot of people are dying? I think it's going to have to do with, like,
Maybe someone
an
passed away
announcement.
who
Yeah.
is religious.
Or the priest died, and I think it might be like a funeral, or maybe it's a thing that, like, hey, because the book's called Fever. Maybe it's announcement that the yellow fever is back, and they should all
And they
get
want-
back into their
Yeah, maybe they're trying to call people to the church so they can inform people about the fever.
Yeah,
Or
that's what I was
or
thinking.
inform people about just something in general. I mean, maybe just something about the church, but maybe something about the town.
Yeah, I feel like
Maybe about the weather. I mean, it could be anything, but I think that they want to call people's attention.
yeah, most likely it's for attention because it's not the hour, or they wouldn't just randomly do it. They would just, if they would wanted intention, they would probably just go around like with some big mic. I mean, I don't know.
I don't think they had microphones in 1793.
So I don't think. I think it's more about attention. I think it has to do with someone dying in the church, or someone, or like the
Like just
fever
like
being
trying to
announced.
call attention
Yeah.
to make an announcement.
Yeah, about what something happened. Like, maybe, I think most likely it's going to be about how the yellow fever has just started up against in Pennsylvania, and they should probably stay inside or get out of the country.
Uh-huh.
Like, no, not country.
Like
but state.
evacuate.
Evacuate.
Everybody, it's time to panic.
Yeah, I feel like it has to do with something announcement, and then that's going to cause a lot of panicking.
Like everybody, now's the time to panic
right?
because there's a fever going around.
I feel that so many people are going to drive out of the state. Some will have that fever and it will spread. So I don't know, but yeah, Will, do you
Yeah.
have anything
No,
else?
I'm good.